Welcome to Art's informational video about the GearWrench 90-tooth ratcheting combination wrenches. Wrenches are marked with the size, the GearWrench logo, GearWrench name, and 90 teeth on one side, or T, 90T, and the size again. The other side is marked with the size, GearWrench logo, and GearWrench with the part number and the size again. Open end, ratcheting, box end. To reverse it, you have to flip the wrench over, but it is smooth. These are nice wrenches. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the GearWrench ratcheting 90-tooth combination wrenches.